Hello guys, so I've used Daylite CRM extensively over the past few months, so here's my take on it based on real experience. Right off the bat, Daylite impressed me with how tightly it integrates across Apple devices, Mac, iPhone, and iPad, making it super convenient to stay connected no matter where I am. For someone like me who relies heavily on the Apple ecosystem, having my contacts, emails, projects, and calendars synced seamlessly is a huge productivity booster. For example, I can start a task on my Mac, check a client email on my iPhone while commuting, and update project milestones on my iPad, all without any manual syncing. If you run a Shopify store and manage customer inquiries across multiple channels, this kind of seamless integration can save you hours every week. One thing I really appreciate is how Daylite organizes everything in one place. Instead of juggling multiple apps or drowning in messy spreadsheets, I can manage clients, sales pipelines, and projects all from the same interface. This means I can track a customer from the first inquiry through the sales process, all the way to project completion without switching tools. It's helped me stay on top of follow-ups and deadlines without feeling overwhelmed, which is especially useful during busy launch periods or seasonal sales. The CRM features are solid, especially when it comes to managing contacts and keeping track of conversations. I like that emails automatically link to the right contacts or projects, which saves a ton of time and keeps communication clear. This feature alone prevents me from losing track of client conversations or missing important follow-ups. The sales pipeline management is also intuitive. It's easy to move deals through stages and keep an eye on progress, so you can quickly see which leads need attention, a feature that's perfect for Shopify store owners who want to convert inquiries into actual sales efficiently. The project management side is straightforward too, letting me track tasks, milestones, and deadlines in a way that actually feels manageable instead of chaotic. For example, I can assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and monitor completion without needing a separate project management app. It keeps everything centralized, which reduces errors and missed deadlines. One downside I ran into is the lack of integration with Microsoft 365, particularly Outlook and Office 365 calendar syncing. Since I sometimes have to coordinate with clients or partners using Microsoft tools, this gap was frustrating. It's something the developers say they're working on, but for now, it means I have to juggle calendar management a bit more than I'd like. If your team relies heavily on Microsoft products, this is something to keep in mind before committing fully. Also, Daylite is Mac and iOS only, so if you or your team use Windows or Android devices, it's not the best fit since there's no web-based option yet. This makes it ideal for solo entrepreneurs or Apple-centric teams, but less suitable for mixed device environments. The user interface feels clean and organized, but I do think the Mac app could use a visual refresh. It's functional, but it sometimes feels a bit dated compared to newer apps. Data entry isn't always as smooth as I'd hope, especially with some features requiring add-ons or third-party subscriptions, like custom fields or unique project numbering. That can make the overall cost a bit higher than expected, depending on what you need. For Shopify owners, this means you may need to factor in extra costs if you want highly customized workflows for managing orders, inventory, or client projects. Customer support has been reliable when I needed help, and they're responsive, which makes a difference when you hit a snag. I also appreciate that Daylite continues to update the app regularly, keeping pace with macOS and iOS changes, which shows they care about keeping things running smoothly. Regular updates mean fewer bugs and a more seamless experience, which is critical when you rely on the app to run your business daily. Pricing starts at $25 per user per month for the CRM plan, with sales and project management plans costing around $40 per user per month each. If you want everything in one package, the business plan bundles all these features, but at a higher price point. So it's worth thinking about your budget versus the features you'll actually use overall. For Shopify store owners just starting out, the CRM plan may cover most essentials, while growing businesses might benefit from the full bundle. If you're an Apple user looking for a powerful all-in-one CRM that handles clients, sales, and projects with native Apple integration, Daylite is definitely worth considering. It's not perfect, especially if you rely on Microsoft tools or want a web-based app, but for Mac-centric workflows, it really streamlines the chaos and helps you keep everything organized in one place.
For Shopify entrepreneurs, using a tool like Daylite can simplify client communication, project tracking, and sales management, all under one roof, saving both time and mental energy.